When the bending machine is running, sometimes you will encounter this situation. Without modifying the y-axis fell down uncontrollably, which was caused by the cylinder falling. The reason for the cylinder drop is that the dust and air filling in the fuel tank block the valve group during operation. To solve this problem, you need to clean the valve group. Before cleaning the valve group, the slider needs to be lowered. If it is not lowered in advance, the slider will fall directly after the valve group is disassembled. Enter manual and click run. Now the slider has not been lowered to the lowest point. Enter manual positioning. Click running. While pressing the pedal, slide your hand to the right here. At this time, the upper mode and the lower mode are in close contact and the slider has been lowered. You can start cleaning the valve. The position of the valve group is here. Clean the valve on whichever side the slider is dropped. Next, we demonstrate the process of cleaning the valve group. This is a proportional valve. This is a back pressure valve. This is a quick release valve. Here is a synchronized block. First, disassemble the quick release valve. It would be easier to use number 24 wrench. Coil. This is the quick release valve. Cleaning with an air gun. There's a valve here. Push in with a screwdriver to open the valve. Open the valve and clean it with an air gun. In this way, the cleaning of the quick release valve is completed. Install the quick release valve in its original position. Install the coil. Quick release valve cleaning installation completed. Clean the back pressure valve below. First, loosen the back pressure valve with a wrench. Spring. Sealing ring. Valve body. Copper pad. Now that the disassembly is complete, clean each one. The copper pad has two sides, and the used side will have an indentation. After cleaning, put it on the surface without any indentation. Clean the valve body below. There's a latch on the valve body. First, remove the latch. Cleaning. Cleaning completed and install it. Cleaning the seal. Install in original place. Install the spring. Now that the springs are divided into upper and lower parts, white is on top and the blue is on the bottom. Cleaning. Because one side of the copper part was replaced, so it takes a lot of force to press it out to create a new indentation. Tighten downwards. Back pressure valve cleaning completed. Install the valve assembly back and the cylinder drop problem is solved. Hope this video will be helpful to you.